Just a quick video today, people. Hopefully later on I'll be able to bring you the rest of the RWO show titled Bloodbound. I got about half the show completed a few days ago now. So this video, something popped in my head today while I was wheeling and dealing. And as you know, the Studebaker project, one that is always on my mind. It's a 1962 Studebaker Lark Daytona. As you know, I have taken the philosophy of this build the rat rod way, and that is to build with what you have, or what you can get for free, or dirt cheap. Now I've got a complete rebuilt 283. But when you see prices like this and you're able to get them basically for nothing, you kind of have to go for it. Because why not go for just a little bit more horsepower, right? Exactly. That is what this show is about today. Wheeling and dealing. Don't be afraid when someone has something up for sale to haggle a little bit. And I don't know what it has been lately. My brothers tell me I've got a horseshoe buried deep within my anal cavity. And today I kind of have to agree with them. Now, there was a place not too far off from where I live, about 10-15 minute drive. The guy was selling he thought it was a Holly carburetor, but he accidentally sold a Holly carburetor. And but he had a Quadrajet 4-barrel carb still for sale, and I seen it there and asked him how much he wanted for it. He goes, nothing. I said, well, what's wrong with it? He goes, nothing. He goes, it was working great when he took it off the engine. So I said, well, how much do you want for it? He goes, you take it. It's like, okay. And then I seen the gem. And some people might not call it a gem, but for the 283 it is. Right now, every major part on the engine is cast. And to find an aluminum aluminum intake manifold, and it be an Edelbrock, I had to ask. So asked him how much, and he goes, well, need a couple extra dollars for a 12-pack of beer. He goes, you got $10 on you? You know, I got to jump on $10. Now, a brand new Edelbrock intake, it doesn't matter for what size engine, you're paying out your ass. They are expensive, and I don't have that kind of money. So $10, I have that kind of money. So a little bit of reveal here. Now the Quadrajet 4-barrel carb, you can tell it's been sitting for a little bit. It's got a little bit of rust on her, but an easy cleanup, and I'll probably have it rebuilt regardless. But I've got them right here, and I got them stored in my computer room just to make sure that that rats and shit don't get into them. So the heart of the 283 is going to be a Quadrajet 4-barrel carb, and there she is. So that is going on the 283. But why settle for that when you can just take that extra step a little bit further? So you gotta go with the Edelbrock intake that it was sitting on. So that is the intake manifold, Edelbrock. And get up a little bit closer, and there we go. You can see the Edelbrock logo right there on it. So that is going on top of the 283, which I love. Now, if it wasn't for the fact that I was getting all these good deals, I I wouldn't be going that route. I'd be happy with what's on the 283. I really would be. I've never been a guy that was a power tripper, or I had one vehicle where I power tripped the fuck out of. It's a little Chevy S10, had a 350 in there, and oh god, I love racing that truck. But since then, I never really cared too much about power. But I'm building a rat rod, and I want that thing to sing for me. And when I mean sing, I mean growl. So now I'll be looking for headers for it, and the minor parts like the distributor and the fuel pump. But basically, I've got everything I need for it now, and it's just the little details. So distributor, I don't mind buying that brand new. It's an important and a necessity for the engine, as well as the fuel pump. I won't get those used. And I'm going to swap out the old timing chain for a double rolling timing chain. So, it's just, it doesn't add any horsepower or anything. It's just, it's a bit stronger than just a regular timing chain is. The headers, I've got a couple of lines on. Some headers that are going dirt cheap. Maybe I can get them just a little bit cheaper. With luck on my side, I'm pretty damn happy. So, yeah, that's it for now about the Studebaker. I have got to go because I am cooking up some cobs of corn for my birthday girl. She was out yesterday, so she didn't get any barbecue corn. I was going to barbecue some for today, but I had a little bit of mishap with the barbecue yesterday. Yeah, the flames were shooting about 10 to 12 feet high. I forgot to empty and clean the grease trap, and with the steak and the chicken and the burgers I did for my brother's departure, I ended up using a full box of baking soda to put out the fire yesterday, and I don't have it in me to clean it today. So I got to cook up the girls some dinner, and had her out for her first test drive today. Took her around in a parking lot for a while, and it was just like a couple of blocks from home. So at the end of it, I directed her onto the street, and I made her drive us home and park on the side of the street. So it helped her confidence and everything. So great day already. So keep on having that great day. I want everyone to have a great day. Yeah, a lot of people might perceive me to be a fucking asshole and a prick, and you haven't really got to know the real me yet if you think that. So I don't care who it is out there. You make sure you have a great day, at least every so often. I'm trying to have a great day every day. Also remember, Sunday night, begins the 10-day fast, as well as me quitting smoking. I will do a video of that night, starting that night. And I'll be doing a video every day, updating everyone how things are going. I haven't weighed myself since the last time because there's been so much going on. I haven't really been able to keep up with what I was doing. So this 10-day fast is really going to be helping me. And if I'm still feeling really good at the end of the 10-day water fast, I might push it to 15. 15 still rolls by and I'm still feeling good and I don't feel like I need to eat. I'll be pushing it to 20. I'm going to up it 5-day intervals. And as you know, I'm quitting smoking at the same time as the fast begins. So when I do that video, I will actually be having my last smoke during that video, and I will not be butting out. And I will have my kids pop up on the videos I do to update you, just to let you know if I've been smoking or not. I like to be honest with everyone, and I know trust is a hard thing. And a lot of people lie for videos. I don't want to do that for these videos. I want to be very honest, very straightforward. And I'll let you know side effects I experience from water fasting. Right now, the biggest thing, I went 3 days. The biggest thing is when the toxins start coming out of your mouth. That the taste and the smell is horrid. That is the only thing I've experienced right at the moment, as well as like your BO is a lot stronger, and you got to make sure you shower like don't forget to use deodorant, just little things like that. But I'll be going for a 10-day fast, so I'm pretty sure side effects will be a little bit more. But we're going to find that out. Have a great day. Have a better tomorrow, and I hope that the horseshoe that you wear up your ass is just as good as mine. I'm out of here, folks. Take it easy.